Some know it as the combustion of material through rapid oxidation. Others know it as a material for lighting or cooking. Cavemen know it as "Ook, shiny! Ook, burny!" But this substance, this material for creation and destruction, is more commonly known as fire. Fire can be used to accomplish many things, from heating to lighting to cooking, to accentuating the dismissal of employees, perhaps. Jacobson, glad you could make it. Sit down. Why is it so dark, sir? So I've been looking at your progress over the past few months. Tell me, what happened to the McAuliffe case? Well, I had some issues with Jacobson. Sir, I really don't understand. What are you doing? Just bear with me a second. Tom in marketing told me how to do this. Tom? Marketing? Do we even have a marketing? What? I don't understand. Oh, you didn't get it? Well, you're fired. Oh, God. Don't cry, come on. What will I tell my wife? Oh, God, I have to put up with this. Get out of my office. Fire. What is it? Does anyone really know? Yes. Yes, they do. It's the chemical combination of substances to oxygen to make a minimal or major conflagration. What you see here is the flame of the fire, the glowing creation of the ignition of gas. Fire needs three main ingredients to ignite: fuel, the wax and the wick, oxygen, the atmosphere around us, and the heat source, which in this case was just a lighter. Of course, fire can be extinguished. Water is a major combatant of fire. In fire extinguishers, you'll find carbon dioxide and other chemicals that starve the fire of oxygen, which is one of the three crucial ingredients. This was a lot of fun. Fun fire fact, how do you colour fire? You add chemicals. Add a touch of potassium chloride for a purple flame, a splash of sodium chloride for yellow. Want to simulate some Harry Potter flu magic? Simple, throw in some copper sulfate.
Diagonally.
When you look at the Earth, what do you see? A large abundance of fuel and oxygen. We're basically a really big fire ready to be set off, which is why fire can be so dangerous. We're entering summer here in Australia, and the heat from the sun is so intense that it's setting bushfires all over the place. The sun is so hot that it can ignite gas from 149,600,000 kilometers away. That's hot. The sun is made up of incandescent plasma, a state of matter created by the ionization of atoms or molecules within a gas. Fun plasma experiment. Want to create some plasma? Here's what you need. Grab a microwave. Grab a grape. Cut the grape down until there is a small amount of skin attaching the two halves. Place this cut side up in the microwave and turn it on for a few seconds. So what you saw coming out of that grape was plasma, but on a much more minuscule level than that of the sun. Imagine a particularly hot day. Here in Australia that's about 40 degrees Celsius or 104 degrees Fahrenheit. That's pretty hot. If the human body is to surpass that temperature, its life is threatened. Now let's compare that to an average day on the sun, which is 5,778 degrees Kelvin, which is 5,504.9 degrees Celsius, which is 9,940.82 degrees Fahrenheit. It's no wonder that fuel on Earth can still be ignited by that heat source. So whilst conflagration is one of the biggest destructive forces in our world, everything in our world, and in the solar system, and the universe, was created in the burning furnaces of stars. So whilst it can burn and destroy, without fire, we wouldn't be here. Neither would anything. Fire is beautiful. I've been badly burnt by fire. The world is fighting off fire at this very moment. But when brought down to the basics, all looked at on a vastly complex scale, fire is an amazing and interesting material, capable of creating worlds and life, whilst equally capable of lighting a room calmly. My name is Jonty, and thank you for watching this video.